PVC or wood? Which one to opt for? Dear friends, picking one from PVC or wood kitchen cabinets depends on your priorities and preferences. If you prioritize water resistance, easy maintenance, and a wider range of design options, PVC cabinets may be the better choice. On the other hand, if you value natural beauty, durability, and eco-friendliness, wood cabinets could be the ideal option. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly solution, PVC cabinets tend to be more affordable. Opting for the right material for your kitchen cabinets is an important decision that affects both aesthetics and functionality. The comparison of PVC cabinets and wood cabinets for the kitchen offers distinct advantages and disadvantages. If you are renovating your kitchen on your own, these DIY kitchen design ideas will help you transform your space to your liking. PVC cabinets excel in water resistance, versatility, and affordability but may lack the natural charm of wood. On the other hand, wood cabinets exude timeless beauty and sturdiness. However, they require more maintenance and may be vulnerable to moisture. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.